Okay, so today we're going to learn about how to convert fractions to decimals as well as decimals to fractions. So basically the idea here is that you have to go from fractions to decimals, you have to have something in its most simplest form before you can do it. So from here you can see that this converts into 6,500. And what do we have here? We have 65 over 100, and we know that this can be converted to a decimal pretty easily. So we know that 65 divided by 100 is equal to 0.5. Now, to go from decimals to fractions, it's a little bit different. So let's say we have something like 0.1872, and you want to take this to a fraction. Well, what you have to do is you have to write this number, and then you have to see how many places you have here. This is the tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000. So you have to write 10,000, and from here, these share, these share, a common divider here, and that divider, well, we can first, let's see, we could just go by twos and try to figure it out, or we could we could go by fours, but I'm going to assume that let me think what that divisor would have to be. They probably both share 8. I'm not sure. Hold on, let me think here. Okay, so yeah, they both would have to share they would both have to share 16. So basically, 872 divided by 16, that would give us 117. And then 10,000 divided by 16 is 625. So, and you could do two ways of doing this. You could either, if you have a calculator, you could just punch it in, and you could figure out this is equivalent to 0.1872, like we wanted it to. So we know that this fraction is correct. So yeah, that's basically the way that you can go from decimals to fractions. And just to go over one more time for you, if you want to go from fractions to decimals, what you have to do is you have to get it into its simplest form first. So let's say and you have to, let me think. So if you had something like, let's say, 0.333, and you wanted to make that a fraction. Well, what would you do here? You would, that this goes out 3 decimal places. Let's do, this would be 333 over, wait, we wanted to go from fraction to a decimal. Sorry about that. Okay, so if we wanted to make 333, well, yeah, if we want to make 333 over 10,000, well, we know that this is hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, and it matches the denominator, so this has to be equal to 0.333. Okay, so that concludes our video. like this video if you liked it, and comment if and tell me what you think about it. See you later.